PCS orders? Wondering how to ship your car without losing your mind? Let's break it down. When the military moves you, your car doesn't just magically follow. PCS car shipping ensures your vehicle arrives safely at your next duty station. Here's how it really works, and what you need to know to avoid surprises. Request your vehicle shipment. Start by submitting a request through your PPPO or transportation office. Timing is key. Don't wait until the last minute. Inspection and documentation. Your car gets inspected for damages, and you'll complete all the necessary PCS paperwork. Transport scheduling. Your vehicle is assigned to a carrier, and a pickup date is scheduled. This can be open or guaranteed depending on your move type. Loading and transport. Specialized carriers load your car safely onto a truck. Your vehicle will travel either open or enclosed depending on preference and regulations. Delivery and receipt. Once it arrives at your new duty station, inspect it carefully, then sign off with the driver. That's it. Your car is PCS ready. Missing one step can lead to delays or unexpected costs, so don't skip any details. Moving for the military, make your PCS stress-free. Visit a oneautotransport.com to schedule your car shipment today and get peace of mind.